Elon Musk's company Neuralink aims to solve neurological problems in humans by implanting microchips in the brain. Microchips will be embedded in people's brains and robots will perform brain surgery. Until now, the company has carried out medical tests with monkeys and pigs, but it is very close to doing it with human beings. While some say it's an advanced technology to help humans, some say it's a crazy idea. What do you think? In today's video, we're going to discuss everything about Neuralink, a microchip company. But first, please like and subscribe to this channel, and then sit back and relax. Elon Musk is known for his big-name companies like Tesla and SpaceX, but the billionaire has a handful of unusual ventures. One of them is Neuralink, a company that is building a device that could be inserted into a person's brain, from where it could record brain activity and stimulate it. Musk has stated that technology is putting a Fitbit in your skull. Just like that. He's funny though. Although Musk likes to talk about his futuristic vision of technology, it has some potential medical applications in the short term. This is everything you need to know about Neuralink. Neuralink was founded in 2016. Neuralink first became publicly known in 2017 when the Wall Street Journal reported on its existence. The company's first major public appearance didn't come until 2019 when Elon Musk and other members of the executive team showed off the Neuralink designs in a live presentation. Neuralink is developing two devices. The first is a chip that would be implanted in a person's skull, with electrodes that would be deployed in the brain. The chip being developed by Neuralink is about the size of a coin, and would be embedded in a patient's skull. From the chip, a series of tiny wires, each about 20 times thinner than a human hair, fan out towards the brain. The leads are equipped with 1024 electrodes that can monitor brain activity and, in theory, electrically stimulate the brain. All of this data is transmitted wirelessly through the chip to computers where researchers can study it. The second is a robot that could automatically implant the chip. The robot would work by using a stiff needle to pierce flexible wires emanating from a Neuralink chip in a person's brain, a process similar to that of a sewing machine. Tesla CEO company released a video showing the robot in January 2021. Elon Musk has claimed that the machine could make implanting Neuralink electrodes as easy as LASIK eye surgery. Although the promise is bold, several neuroscientists told Business Insider in 2019 that the machine has some very promising features. Professor Andrew Hires highlighted a feature that would automatically adjust the needle to compensate for the movement of patients' brains, as the brain moves during surgery along with a person's breathing and heartbeat. The robot, as it currently stands, is 2.5 meters tall, and while Neuralink handles the underlying technology, its design has been drawn up by Woke Studios. In 2020, the company showed off one of its chips working on a pig named Gertrude during a live demo. The demo was a proof of concept and showed how the chip could accurately predict the position of Gertrude's limbs when she walked on a treadmill, as well as record neural activity when she sniffed around for food. Musk claimed that the pig had been living with the chip for 2 months. It is said that the Neuralink chip wireless system could have a big impact on the well-being of the animals as test subjects in science, since most neural interfaces currently in use with them involve wires protruding through the skin. The company took its animal demos a step further in April 2021 when it showed a monkey playing video games with its mind. Neuralink released a video of a monkey named Pager playing video games like Pong in exchange for a banana shake as a reward. Pager played using a joystick that was disconnected from the game console, meaning he was controlling the cursor using signals from his brain as he moved his arm. So incredible! How did Elon Musk feel about this? Of course, you should know that the big funny man would do nothing than to brag for a second. Elon Musk loves to brag that Neuralink lets monkeys control computers with their minds, but neuroscientists don't see that as a big deal. Elon Musk excitedly announced at the 2019 presentation that the company had successfully implanted his chip in a monkey and was able to control a computer with his brain. The Neuralink president, Max Hodak, was taken by surprise because he didn't realize they were going to get the result that every day. But something controversial came up with that experiment. An animal rights group filed a complaint against Neuralink in February 2022 for its treatment of monkeys used in its research. The animal rights group, the Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine, filed a complaint with the U.S. Department of Agriculture after obtaining more than 700 pages of documents related to the monkeys used in the Neuralink research at the University of California between 2017 and 2020. The group obtained the documents, which included veterinary records and autopsy reports, through a public information request. They complained that 23 monkeys had experienced extreme suffering as a result of inadequate animal care and a highly invasive experimental head implants used during the experiments. Neuralink did not respond to questions from Business Insider about it, and this hasn't stopped the company from progressing its goal of inserting a microchip into human brains. Although none of the technologies that Neuralink has showcased so far have been particularly groundbreaking, neuroscientists are impressed with how well it has been able to bring existing technologies together. Elon Musk claims that the company hopes to start implanting its chips in humans in 2022, 2 years later than originally expected. But this is not the first time Musk has set a deadline for implanting Neuralink chips in humans. What will be the effect of the Neuralink's microchip on human brains? Treatment of neurological disorders. Improved neural interface technology like Neuralink's microchip could help better study and treat serious neurological conditions, such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's disease. In the short term, a chip in someone's brain could help treat neurological disorders like Parkinson's. The possibility to control phones with minds. Another possible benefit is that it will also allow people to control robotic prosthetics with their mind. The company hinted that the first real-world application of its chip would give quadriplegics the ability to control phones and laptops. Neuralink announced that it had closed a financing round Series C for around 180 million euros from different investors, including the Google investment vehicle, on July 29, 2021. As part of its announcement, the company indicated that the first commercial application of its chip could be to help quadriplegics. Tetraplegics is partial or total paralysis of all 4 limbs. The Neuralink microchip will help fuse human consciousness with artificial intelligence. Elon Musk also says that in the long term, the chip could be used to fuse human consciousness with artificial intelligence, though experts are skeptical. Although Musk has touted Neuralink's short-term applications, he often links the company to his AI concerns. The CEO has said that he believes humanity will be able to achieve symbiosis with artificial intelligence using the technology developed by Neuralink. Musk has made many fanciful claims about the enhanced abilities Neuralink could confer. In 2020, he said people would keep and replay memories, like in Black Mirror, or telepathically call their car from him. But experts have expressed doubts about these claims. Musk also made dubious claims about its medical applications. He went on to say that the technology could solve many brain diseases like autism and even schizophrenia. But autism is classified as a developmental disorder, not a disease, and the World Health Organization describes schizophrenia as a mental disorder. A neuroscientist has told Business Insider that there are major ethical issues with the idea of performing brain surgery for anything other than essential treatment. Dr. Riley Green of Imperial College London told Business Insider that the idea of performing brain surgery on a healthy person is deeply worrying, and putting any of these devices into the brain is very, very high-risk surgery. People do it because they have severe limitations, and there is potential to improve their life. And doing it for fun is not a good idea. Now, what do you think about the idea of the Neuralink's microchip being implanted in human brains? We'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like, the subscribe buttons, and the notification bell to be notified when new videos are uploaded to the channel. Please leave your thoughts about Neuralink, the story of Elon Musk's brain, microchip company, in the comment section below. Thank you.